Okay, so about a month ago, Ron had some Wharton's jelly and umbilical cord stem cell under laser guidance injected in his right shoulder rotator cuff because it was torn, correct?
Correct.
And then, could you let us know any improvements you felt 1 month after the procedure?
Yes. Before the procedure, I used to wake regularly with the shoulder hurting and aching.
Is that
And now that
because you laid on it, or
could be,
laid anywhere, huh?
yes.
Yeah.
And now that has been eliminated.
All right. What was the pain in the scale of 1 to 10 before at night?
Oh, 7,
And what is it now?
0.
0.
Yeah.
And let's see the range of motion.
Very,
Can you raise it all the way up?
yes.
Well, look at you. So what percent improvement do you think you've had in that torn rotator cuff 1 month after the procedure?
Oh, 75% at least.
Oh, great. Looks like we could prevent that shoulder surgery. Congratulations.
Absolutely.